Welcome back. Now in this tutorial, we will learn about z-score. So in previous video, we have learned about normal distribution, and to learn normal distribution, you need to know about z-score. So let's start with the z-score. So this formula is for the sample. The both formulas are for the z-score, but when we are doing the z-score for sample, we will use this formula. Z equals to x minus mean divided by standard deviation. This formula is for population. Most of the questions are usually about the population. So you will use this formula most of the time. X minus mu divided by standard deviation. Now let's learn more about the z-score. What is z-score? So z-score is how much far value from mean in the form of standard deviation. So z-score tell us how far value of from mean. So this is mean, for example, in this case, 18.125. This is mean, yeah. So how far the value in the form of standard deviation. So it's not in the form of the mean or in the form of degree or anything, is in the form of standard deviation. How far the value. This is what z-score tells us.